Today, I will show you how to see deleted messages on Discord. Follow these detailed steps to make sure you never miss any message, even if it gets deleted. First, open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Opera, or Edge. In the search bar, type Better Discord and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Better Discord website. On the home page, click on the Download button to start the download. Once the Better Discord installer is downloaded, open it by double-clicking the file. Tick the box to accept the terms and conditions, then click Next. Click Next again to proceed with the default installation. Select the version of Discord you're using, which is usually the default option, and then click Install. After the installation is complete, close the installer. Discord will restart automatically with Better Discord installed. Next, open your browser again and search for Lighty Better Discord. From the search results, click on the official Lighty Better Discord website. Find the Message Logger v2 plugin and click on the Download button to get the plugin file. In Discord, go to the Plugins section and click on the Open Plugins folder button. Paste the downloaded Message Logger v2 file into the Plugins folder. Back in the Plugins section of Discord, you will see the Message Logger v2 plugin listed. Toggle the switch to enable it. Do the same for Xera's plugin library and XenoLib to ensure everything works correctly. Go to any chat or server where you want to log messages. Now, any deleted messages in the chat will be logged and can be viewed through the Message Logger interface. That is how you can see deleted messages on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful guides.